Quick short on this bundle deal from Coast. Got the knife, Founders Collection, 1919. I love it, but closing it is not the greatest. I already cut myself, but definitely perfect for front pocket, side pocket, whatever, for your everyday carry. Also, the Coast Slayer, which is nice, has I think 3 or 4 modes, as well as this bottom button to save your favorite setting. So you can click that and it'll come to your favorite setting. But flood and spot. And I can use that for my favorite setting. And it is pretty bright. I love it. It's awesome. Super light.